So today we'll be using our NOx Sensor Tester tool to test this outlet NOx sensor on this 2016 Freightliner. So if you guys want to take a look here, I'll kind of walk you through our steps. So we already have our NOx sensor tester hooked up here. We have it loaded up on our phone. So the only process to this is unhooking your NOx sensor. You find your right connection on our adapter harness here. Hook that up directly where you would hook up your factory harness. Make sure you have power on the tester, which we do. So we're good to go there. You open your Diag app in your phone and it'll give you this nice menu. We'll go to NOx Sensor Test, Auto Detection, Confirm. And as you can see, this app's really nice as well because it's detecting this is the outlet NOx sensor. If we were to test the inlet, which we did previously, it reads inlet NOx sensor. So we'll go ahead and start our test. As you can see, it's activating the heater in the NOx sensor. So as you can see, that NOx sensor wasn't able to be activated until it was heated up to the proper temperature. So you're not going to get your actual stable reading until it's heated up to the temperature that it's actually telling it to. As you can see now, our reading's starting to drop down a little more stable here now that the NOx sensor is heated up. And it's nice as well, it gives you your threshold below 20 ppm is the reading that you're looking for. As you can see this, it's starting to come down a little bit. We'll wait till the end of the test here and we'll see what we got. All right guys, so as you can see, the test is completed here. Is NOx sensor tested normal, which means that is a good NOx sensor. So we can generate the report for our customer. 2016 Freightliner outlet NOx sensor. Confirm that. And go back to our diagnostic report. Print. Zoom in, it generates a really nice PDF file for you guys for the customer. You guys are wanting to be able to bench test your NOx sensors on your truck without risking the possibility of having to cut them or strip the threads out trying to take them off of the truck. All right, if you guys think that this product is something that would be useful for you at your guys' shop, you're able to find this NOx sensor testing tool and further diagnostic equipment at proformanceusa.com.